Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing the usually, the American Influencer Beauty Bundle, and I'm very excited to unbox this. I kind of got a little sneak peek of what's in this box. I'm pretty sure it's what I'm thinking. But anyway, as I clear my throat, sorry. If you're interested to see what's in this box, then just keep watching. Alright y'all, I do want to state two things. So, the air on, the AC is on, and I know it's a little bit loud. I do apologize, and the lighting is a little funky. But it gets very hot in here, so I need the AC on. And also, my hair is really annoying. I'm actually going to the salon and getting my hair done professionally for the first time, like dyeing-wise, like ever. I usually do it myself, but I'm at the point where I'm kind of just like sick of doing it myself, so I'm going to go get it done, and there's not really much that I can do with this hair, so just don't think about that. I'm not going to think about it today. I get so annoyed with it. Wow. This box is very, very, looks like someone tried to get in it, but yeah, I am thinking, like, I just don't know what to do with my hair. I'm trying to grow it out. My hair has been falling out a lot and stuff lately too, so it's just stressing me out a little bit, so I need to like really think about it. Anyway, today's video is not about that. It's about this box, and yes. Yay! Okay, so not every month, this is every other month, I'm pretty sure. The box is curated around a one brand, and this month's brand is Purlisee, which I'm so excited about. Purlisee is a pretty pricey brand, and I have tried some of their products before, only because I've gotten them in like BoxyCharm and Ipsy and stuff like that. But I'm obsessed with their watermelon aqua bomb, and I'm excited because it comes in here. So we're just going to go ahead and just open this box up. So the first thing that comes in here is this, which is it says give your skin a burst of energy, and this looks like it's a bag. It's a canvas cosmetics bag, and this retails for $10. That is super cute. Yeah, this is like a bigger bag. This is cute. This is something that you can put feminine products in, put makeup products in, and all that. I have a piece of hair in my face. But very cute. I love watermelon. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so this box is super, super full. I'm so excited for this, guys. Ugh. Okay, the first thing I see is the Purlisee Aqua Bomb. And like I said, this is an energizing Aqua Bomb. I can give you an honest opinion review. This stuff is one of my absolute favorites, like lotions for the face. I absolutely love it. It is, it says great for everyday use. It's a lightweight, oil-free gel cream, refreshing and moisturizing. Oily combination, normal, even sensitive skin can use this. I'm sad that it only is a small little jar, but hey, at least I got one. Okay, next up is this right here. Ooh, this is a pink charcoal watermelon purified cleansing milk with green tea, gently cleanses skin, soap, and sulfate free. Their packaging is just so cute, and I love, like I keep saying, I love watermelon. Beauty through Asian wisdom. This is used on damp skin and lightly rinse with warm water. Yeah, so this is a cleansing milk. I'm so excited. So I will for sure be using these and giving you guys my review and opinions and stuff like that on it, but I'm excited to see how this smells. We're going to open this puppy up because I already know I'm going to be using it. Oh yeah. It smells just, ooh, it smells a little bit more watermelon-y than the actual Aqua Bomb, which I'm totally okay with. Next up is this right here. Oh, okay, this one is leaking just a little bit, but this is the pink charcoal and watermelon antioxidant face mist with green tea, refreshing, soothing, and hydrating. So that's what it looks like. I'm wondering when you use this. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from base, mix in a circular motion for to tone skin, set makeup, or boost hydration throughout the day. So you can use it to like tone your face. You can use it before makeup, after makeup. So definitely be giving that a shot. Oh, this is interesting. You can definitely see the like product in this. This is the, oh, and I have a little sample size of this. This is a Purlisee Coconut Oil Coffee Body Scrub. I seriously am so excited for this box, guys. I'm trying to like hold back my excitement and not be like annoying. But this is freaking awesome. You can use it, massage on your entire body and rinse off. I love me a good sugar scrub, especially coffee, because coffee has caffeine in it and it's supposed to help, I don't know, there's tons of science. I'll be doing a separate video on making my own coffee scrub. If you guys want to see that, I know I've said it before, and a handful of you guys said you wanted to see that video. I want to make sure you still do, because if you do, comment down below, and I will be sure to film that very, very soon. I might be even making an extra one and doing a giveaway with it. So, yeah. Let's see. This one's sealed up. I'm not going to open this one until I'm actually going to use it. I have tons of sugar scrubs right now. This is a coconut oil plus coffee silky body butter. Ooh, I have never seen that they had a body butter before. We're going to go ahead and open this one up and see what this one feels like and smells like. Sorry. I didn't put my phone on silent before this, and I should have. Okay, so it's just a regular lotion. It's kind of interesting kind of scent. It doesn't really smell like coconut oil or coffee. I can't really explain it. It's kind of like a bland scent. So I think I'll probably use this when I use the Purlisee coconut sugar scrub. Last but not least is this right here. This is a Purlisee Watermelon Energizing Peel Off Mask, which I totally have this already. I have it in like actually no, I think I have it in the full size as well. It's a really great mask, but I have so many masks, guys, so this is probably one that I'll like resell. But it's a great mask to have. So yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 5 full-size products and 1 sample of the Aqua Bomb, which, to be honest, I wish this was one of the full-size products because I love that Aqua Bomb so much. I'm so happy I got this. I'm pretty sure that I canceled this subscription just because I'm on a no makeup buy for the rest of the year. So I don't want to get a subscription box that has makeup in it because that's cheating to me. So this is all skincare, which is amazing. I highly recommend this box. If you guys can sign up, do it right now because I'm pretty sure they still have some of these boxes left. And I love it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Have you tried Purlisee out? Like I said, love the Purlisee brand. It's amazing. You'll be seeing me probably do some videos on this kind of stuff. And this is, you probably can't read it, but it says, I created Purlisee to show the beauty and spirit of my heritage as a former Power Ranger. Oh, that's freaking cool. I spent hours under bright lights and heavy makeup, which took a major toll on my complexion and confidence. In my journey to restore my skin, I discovered my grandmother's Asian beauty secrets, which transformed my complexion, and now yours too. I'm so excited for you to experience the Purlisee way. That is so cool. She was a Power Rangers villainess, and that's her right there. Jennifer Yin. Freaking cool. I'm excited about this box. Anyway, I'm going to shut up now. I have a few other videos to film today, so if you see this, look a few other times in other videos, then that's the reason why. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're staying safe. Like I said, this hair is driving me insane. Hope you guys are excited for something bright. We are doing some bright makeup. I miss having, not makeup. I love doing bright makeup, but I miss having bright hair. So I hope you guys are excited to see the hair transformation. Anyway, love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.